All right, so could you tell us your name, please?
Laurie Hobbs.
Thank you. And what do you do at North Raleigh Periodontics?
Here I help with communication and graphic design.
And what is the best part about being part of North Raleigh Periodontics?
I really enjoy the creativity of the staff, and everybody's so friendly.
I know Christmas is coming up pretty soon, so what's your favorite part about Christmas? Do you have any favorite traditions or memories or things you like to do?
Most of our family's local, so I enjoy getting in the car and we all go out and have dinner with the in-laws and my family.
Nice. And when you're not here working on graphic design, what do you like to do in your spare time?
My family's very active, so I'm part of a fitness class and I enjoy bike riding with my husband.
Thank you.